What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over the 6 easiest CPA marketing niches that you can make $10,000 with in the next 30 days. My last video, I showed how to go from $0 to $100 per day in literally 7 days, breaking down all the steps. So I decided, why not bring out the whiteboard again while I'm on my board down here in my office. But I'm gonna be breaking down all the profitable niches that I believe you should get started with to start seeing success in your CPA marketing business this year, 2025. Now, I'm going to be going over some things that I've personally made money with, things that I see my students do very well with. So if you want basically a shortcut to success on what type of offers to run with CPA marketing, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be dropping a lot of gems. This video is very, very exclusive. You guys are lucky that I'm even putting this out because this is usually behind a paywall, stuff like that, right? So let's just get right into it. You guys know I don't like to waste any time, so let's just put niches right here. So money niches, right? So the first niche that I'm gonna talk about is the niche that I've actually made my first 6 figures with when it came to CPA marketing, and that is Bizop. Right now, when it comes to Bizop, I do focus on a certain type of Bizop offer, and that is single opt-ins. So basically like CPOs, right? So just when you go to your affiliate manager and ask them for the top Bizop offers, just try to ask them for single opt-in type offers or something that pays CPO, which is cost per lead, right? You want to get a simple conversion, right? So Bizop is really, really simple because it's like a universal type offer. What person doesn't really want to kind of make money online? It's kind of usually where the make money online type offers are. Work from home type offers. Those offers do really well, especially when you are promoting in the United States and things like that, because everybody in America wants to work from home. Everybody in America wants to make more money, things like that, wants to make money online. So this is why Bizop offers perform so well, because who doesn't want to make money, right? It was just one of the niches that I got started with, and I started seeing success fast with because, it was such a universal type offer. It's evergreen. You can run it year round and you don't have to worry about, the offer getting old. And there's tons of these type of offers on any network. So just reach out to your affiliate manager and just ask them, hey, what are some of the top Bizop offers that you have? Can you send me only cost per lead type offers, single opt-in type offers? And you should be able to get a list of those to test out. And when it comes to traffic with these type of offers, I would suggest you sticking with social traffic, because I run a lot of this Bizop traffic with social and also search. Does really well with these type of offers. So as long as the offer allows search, social, you should be golden when it comes to making money with CPA marketing when it comes to this niche. Now the second niche, downloads. So downloads are really easy to convert because literally it could be like a simple phone app install and you get paid when somebody installs an app, or it could be you can target desktops where people can install things like virus protection software or antivirus stuff, and those do really, really well. And when I was a beginner newbie, I ran a lot of download offers and they converted really, really well for me. So if you are not familiar with, let me just put right here what types. So I like to stick to, app install, antivirus, right? So app installs, put an S right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a little small with the S, but it just says app installs and antivirus, right? These are really going to be really simple offers to convert. If you can get a spy tool for mobile and desktop campaigns, something like Adplexity or something like that, it'll basically show you landers for different type of apps and different type of antivirus offers. So you can just rip landers straight off of there, and then you can find the offer through your network, or you can hit up your affiliate manager and ask them to give you, can they get access to the actual offer? Even if it's not on the network, guys, sometimes you have to ask your affiliate manager to go and try to get the offer for you. Sometimes they can go out there, get the offer for you, put it on the network, or even not even put it on the whole network, but actually give you private access to that actual offer. So it won't even be available for the whole network. It'll be available to just you. But usually it takes just history with the network. They see that you make money and you bring traffic to their actual network. So once they see that, then they're usually more inclined to do stuff like that. But you know, for just getting started and things like that, you can literally just go on there, find different CPA networks that specialize in app installs, you know, antivirus type offers, you know, just different type of downloads and stuff like that. And it's really easy to see success with these type of offers because the conversion point is so simple. All they got to do is just literally download an app, or you know what I'm saying, or you know, download a software onto their computer and things like that. And there's a bunch of different high converting landing pages out there that make this really simple and easy. You also like game installs, things like that work really well. So that's downloads, and that works really well. So let's just go into another niche, which is, okay, so 3 is going to be dating offers. So when it comes to dating offers, I like to do this with like adult traffic. So you just want to make sure that the dating offer that you select, it allows adult traffic, because adult traffic converts really well, because a lot of people that visit these you know, corn sites and stuff like that, they are, you know, they're kind of lonely, you know, they're looking for somebody, things like that. And there's a lot of different landing pages that convert really well with these type of offers. And I like to stick to single opt-in type dating offers also, you know, CPL, you know, just cost per lead. They just fill out a simple form, or a simple registration, something like that. It converts really well, because a lot of people just are browsing those sites and they want to basically find somebody to meet. I'm pretty sure if you've been on those type of sites before, you've seen a bunch of these different type of ads. You've seen a bunch of these different type of, you know, landing page styles and stuff that pop up with on those type of sites, and they just convert really well. That's why you always see them. You know, it's like, you know, want to find, looking at local singles, things like that. Like, you, once you start, you can get another spy tool. Like I said, AdPlessy has a bunch of spy tools. They have an adult spy tool also. You can look on there, find some landers, find some banners to actually run these offers with, and it can be a really easy and simple campaign to set up. You just gotta be able to stomach seeing, like, you know, a bunch of that adult stuff. But yeah, I have some students doing really well with the dating niche using adult traffic. So yeah, if you're willing to do that, I'm telling you, that can make you a bunch of money in the next 30 days. I'm telling you, it's crazy. So the next niche that we're going to go into is going to be loans, right? So when it comes to loans, like I said, once again, single opt-in, cost per lead type loan offers. I don't really do too many cost per sale offers. You guys know my style. I like simple form submit, email submit type offers, just because I love easy conversion points. I don't like to spend a lot up front on my traffic and stuff like that. So I like to just be able to, you know, spend less on traffic and just get that lower conversion point. So yeah, you guys know I love, you know, single opt-in, cost per lead type offers. But loans is basically one of my favorite niches. It's the niche that I switched to once I kind of got off Bizop. But loans convert really well, because, you know, everybody, once again, it's kind of like the saying, everybody's looking for money, or you know, some type of credit that they need, or payday loans, or car loans, things like that. People are always in the market for that. It's an evergreen type niche, and if you can find an offer like this with a single opt-in type offer, cost per lead, where the conversion point is literally them just filling out a simple form, it can work really well. You can use it with search traffic. You can use it with social traffic. I've even seen a lot of these with like native traffic working well. But yeah, loans convert really well, especially in America. When it comes to dating and stuff, like, you can run this type of offer in any country. But like, when it comes to loans, I would stick to like USA, because, you know, we do a lot when it comes to loans. A lot of people aren't really scared of debt in America, so it just converts really well. You know, credit type offers also. You can put loan/credit type offers too right here. But those convert really well. I'm actually clear this off because I got more niches to talk about. So let me just clear this. Alright, so make sure you got this, because I'm about to get rid of it. Screenshot it or something like that. Alright guys, so I just went over 4 different type of niches. So let's just get into the 5th one. So debt relief type offers. So it's kind of like crazy because I just went over basically loan type offers. So yeah, the next niche would be debt relief type offers. These offers convert really, really well. Native traffic, social traffic, search traffic, because a lot of people, especially in America, are in debt. So yeah, a lot of they have a lot of USA targeted offers with this niche, and they just work really well because yeah, America just is in a bunch of debt. A lot of people need help. They need debt relief, need tax relief, things like that. So it's just a really, really profitable niche, and you might have seen these type of offers on your timeline before somewhere, but you probably wasn't really paying attention to it being like a CPA type offer. But they have a lot of different CPA offers that target debt and things like that, so you should definitely look into that. And you can try to go for form submits with these type of offers as well. So you know, somebody is filling out a simple form for more information. So you know, like CPLs on these work really well, so you can stick to debt relief CPLs. And yeah, it's just a really, really profitable niche. I'm just giving you like the, you know, the biggest type niches that like can really make you money like this month, and like what's working now type stuff, you know. And this is not it. This is just, I just want to basically, you know, touch on some of the top ones that are running right now, so you guys are just kind of like aware of like what's going on. But yeah, loans, debt relief, it's kind of go hand in hand. So you know, sticking to one of those could really make you a lot of money. And the last one that I'm gonna go over, because I did say 6, is kind of like, I want to say like a bonus one, because it's like, this one is not a specific niche. I usually get this offer from YTZ affiliate network. I'm not sure if you've seen that video where I talk about YTZ and this type of link, but it's called, it's not a particular niche, but it's a type of offer. So it's called a smart link. But the smart link that I'm talking about is mainstream. And you can find this on YTZ. Matter of fact, I'll include a link to YTZ below this video, so you can apply and get started with that network. Excuse me. But basically, what the smart link mainstream does is, whatever country that you're targeting, you basically set it up to run in whatever country with, I say use a traffic source like Zero Park or Propeller ads, you know, just lower cost traffic, just to, you know, start testing out and things like that. And what you'll see is this smart link basically rotates different offers depending on the country, the region, things like that, and it's going to bring up the most profitable offer for that country, for that region, right? So you can run this direct linking, so you don't have to like have a landing page or anything like that to start this type of campaign. But this is really simple and easy. Is one of the offers that I promote a lot in my videos. You probably see me make a video talking about the smart link, mainstream smart link, because it's like so simple. It's like you're not really picking a niche or an offer. You're just picking out a country, and then from there you're just direct linking, like, you know, targeting that country, direct linking, and then they're going to just show them the most profitable offer. So you don't need, it takes all the guesswork out of picking a niche, picking out an offer. You can literally just get started today. You don't have to set up any ads. Well, not ads. Yeah, like really ads, because I run it with redirect traffic through Zero Park, so it's not really any ads. You just set up the campaign. It's really no ads. It's no landing page or anything like that. So this works really well. So if you haven't done so, sign up for YTZ, test this out yourself, set it up with some Zero Park traffic. I'll try to add an end card, so you should see it in the top corner, the video where I go over setting up this type of campaign, how I test it out and things like that. I'm gonna also be adding more things into my academy when it comes to running, you know, mobile traffic, like, or traffic with like Propeller ads, Zero Park and stuff like that, because I don't really have a detailed section on how I test effectively with that type of traffic. So I'm gonna be adding that into the academy really, really shortly. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, I would get inside there, because I do have 60% off on my academy right now. You probably missed the 75% off, so I just basically reduced the discount to 60% off, but that's only gonna be for a limited time only. And then after that, then I'm probably going to be done running discounts, or it's going to be a lesser discount. So you won't be able to get as much off and lock in that lower price anymore. So you got 6 different type niches. You can go out there, reach out to your affiliate managers, let them know, hey, Can you give me some of the top offers in whatever specific category that you're actually interested in? And yeah, guys, that's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.